Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. We are about to get into this wash day video. Like, your hair more times than anything reflects what you are going through, and my hair is stressed. It is reflecting my life right now. So I'll be using Olaplex treatment system to do this full wash day. My hairstylist used Olaplex the last time I went, maybe like over a year ago. And I'm like, yeah, girl, we need to get back to that good treatment. We need some love, some TLC with this natural hair because it's just not it. So the first step in the treatment is the Olaplex number 0. I think that's how they reference to it. So this is basically a primer to prep your hair for the treatment, get that base together, and it's going to maximize the treatment usage and how much moisture your hair will get, because my hair is dry. I have a lot of split ends. So last year I found out that I have an autoimmune disease, hence the scarring on my arms, and also I used to lose hair in the back left side of my head, and my hair just reflects how I'm feeling most times than not, especially since I wasn't really taking care of it because it was the last thing on my to-do list. But we need to fix that. And also I'm doing this thing for my autoimmune treatment, which is called phototherapy, where I'm standing in this chamber with UVB light, and it is really intense. And I'm thinking, they don't really have black people doing this thing, and I know my hair is breaking under them UVB lights. So I'm like, yeah, girl, we need some excessive treatment. So once I have that in for about 10 minutes, then I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex number 3, and this is like a Prepoo. So you're supposed to saturate it from not exactly the roots, but from mid hair to the ends, and you work that in there generously. Now I'm gonna put on each section, so I'm doing it in smaller sections so that I could get as much hair on the treatment, or the treatment on as much of my hair as I can get it. And then you're supposed to leave that on for about 10 minutes, and instantly I feel my hair feeling softer. It's starting to look better. It might be my imagination, or any type of moisture I see on my hair, I get excited, but I feel it instantly. It is working because my hair was shedding like nobody's business. I might give myself a little trim later on, nothing too drastic because I don't want to cut it and make it be all out of shape, but I'm just gonna saturate that all over my hair before we get into the shower. Now, once that has been on for 10 minutes, I rinse it out. So you are supposed to rinse out the number 3. Then we're gonna go in with the shampoo. Now, this shampoo is a strengthening and clarifying shampoo. So if you have oil buildup or excessive product in your hair, this shampoo is amazing. And as I said, I got the little kit. I found this kit on Sephora because Olaplex is pricey. Because in Canadian dollars, it's about $41 for one product. But I found the kit with all 4 products in Sephora for $84. And honestly, even though the bottles look really small, they go a long way. Because I overused the shampoo because I underestimated the portions. But you don't need a lot. The small bottles will go a long way. And also, if you live in Toronto or any part in Canada that has a BSW, they have it in there for $5 less. So I saw the products in BSW for $36. So if you want to go to BSW instead of Sephora and Amazon, girl, get you over there, okay? So I'm making sure to go through each section just to make sure I get to the roots, because my scalp be itching. It's itching because remember, your scalp, your skin, all connected, and I have excessively dry skin, especially with me doing the UVB treatment. Dry. And I'm not even supposed to be using hot water. The hot water wasn't even that hot. It was more warm than anything, but I don't know why it's showing steam. Like, it's trying to calm me out, but honestly, it wasn't hot. Now we're gonna go in with the conditioner, and this conditioner, as soon as it goes on your hair, it is super moisturizing. So I put it on each section, and the conditioner also goes a long way, even though the bottle is small as heck. But the $41 bottle is bigger than this. This is just the bottle that came into that $80 kit. So once I put the conditioner all over my hair, I go in with this brush, and my hair is already detangled from we were doing the Prepoo, so I didn't have any knots in my hair, which is great with the Prepoo and the primer. Your hair is already detangled before you even get in the shower, so it's really quick and an easy process. Now once that is all rinsed out, we need a mask treatment, and we're using the TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. This has raw honey for shine and moisture. It has olive oil in there, and the product feels amazing. It feels so good. So I start with the ends of my hair, and then I work the product all the way to the roots, and then I just try to saturate it in my hair, get as much of it all over my hair. Now you could apply heat in terms of if you want to sit under a dryer or something with a plastic shower cap and sit for about 15 to 25 minutes, but I didn't have one of those like to sit under heat, and I didn't feel like doing all of that, so I just left it in my hair for about an hour and 15 minutes, and just let the product sit, because even on the bottle it says if you're not going to use heat, let the product sit on your hair for an hour. And this is if you have time. If you don't have time, then you do that 15-minute treatment. But girl, we're gonna make time because the hair needs it. Like she needs it. I need the love in my traces right now. It's been too long since it has gotten that tender loving and care. It's been through a lot this last year, so it needs it. Now I got these little towels off of Amazon, and I'm loving it. It has a little button in the back, and it dries my hair so nicely. This is a microfiber towel, so I don't have to use a t-shirt. Girl, we're upgrading to this towel. I bought it for $15, and 2 came in the pack, but it's so good. It absorbs as much water as you need to, but your hair is still damp. So now I'm just gonna section my hair to prep for styling. So what we'll be using today is the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Now I've been seeing the girlies rave about this product, and let me just say, I am not in love. Like, I am not sold on this product, and the price tag on this product, baby, it was $26. Like, I was really balling with the hair products in this video, and I honestly, I don't know, I don't recommend the product for low porosity hair. It was just not sitting right for me. Y'all just saw I did a whole treatment clarifying my hair, doing a deep treatment and everything, so you know my hair is product free. I didn't even use any leave-in conditioner because my hair doesn't work well with doing all types of oils and leave-in and all type of things. I just go straight into styling, especially a moisturizing styling product. And you're supposed to use this wet, so I tried to put some of that As I Am Jamaican black castor oil water on my hair, and that is a clear product. Like, it's not like it's something that has creams or anything in there. It's clear, so it's not like I was doubling up on products. So when my hair was dry and I saw flaking the next day, I was confused. I'm like, if I'm paying $26 for a product, I should not be seeing anything. It's supposed to be dried, clear, nothing. So $26 is kind of steep for a product that will be just sitting on my hair like nobody's business. I ain't like that. So it did make my hair look super curly, and it felt soft as heck. So I will give it that. Like, my hair was soft, and the coils, well, it wasn't that coily, to be honest. Like, my extreme wet line gel gave me more coils and more definition than this product. But we're gonna let it live. We are going to let it live. This is how my hair dried. Yeah, I need a shape up. Like, desperately need a shape up. The last time I got a tapered cut was this time last year. So we need a shape again. Like, yeah, I don't know what's going on. But the hair is looking moisturized. Now we're gonna go in with this little blow dryer that I got on Amazon. Love it. I got it some time ago. I don't even know if it's still available on Amazon, but I'm gonna use it to lift my hair a bit. Now, what I love about this blow dryer is when you see that blue ring around it, it just means it's cool air. So it's not like I'm applying heat. So when you see sometimes it changed to red, it's like it can detect that that part of my hair is still wet. So it gives a burst of warm air just to dry it real quick. But then the blue air is just cool air, and it's just to give me some definition, because we're gonna put our hair in a puff. When we don't feel the shape of the hair, we just put that baby in a puff. So I'm gonna go in with some edge booster, and I forgot how good this edge control is. It is laid and slayed. I haven't used it in a while, but love it. So I'm just gonna brush my hair up. And what I love about doing puffs is it gives your hair more volume, and it gives the illusion that your hair is longer than it actually is. So that is what's gonna work for us. The ever faithful high puff. It never changes. It never switches. It's that girl. And of course, would my style be complete without some soup type situation? Obviously this is optional, but I like a little soup. Like, it just gives me that superpower. Like, I love it. So I'm just gonna create our little soups on the sides, and that is basically it. Let me know what you guys thought. My hair feels so good. I use the Olaplex treatment every wash day now because my hair needs it, and it's giving shiny and a little bit more health. And thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.